If you've had a conversation with the user, go to that conversation and attempt to view their profile. If it appears empty, it's likely they've blocked you. Alternatively, you can use the search function to look for the user's profile. If their profile doesn't appear in the search results, it indicates they've blocked you. Conversely, if you're unblocked, their profile will display normally in conversations and search results. By following these steps, you can easily determine if someone has blocked you on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of determining if someone has blocked you on Instagram. It's crucial to pay attention to the steps outlined to avoid any mistakes. To begin, I'll demonstrate using two Instagram profiles, a main one and a secondary one. First, I'll switch to the secondary profile and block the main profile. This is done by searching for the main profile, tapping on the three dots, and selecting Block. Once blocked, the main profile will appear empty when viewed from the secondary profile. Next, from the main profile, I'll show you how to check if someone has blocked you.